In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can sell crypto on Etoro. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, the first thing you need to do is actually just open up Etoro, and for this video, I'll be using the Etoro website. However, feel free to follow along on the mobile app. So when you're logged into your account, you want to head over to the left-hand side and we want to go over to Portfolio. And this will show us all of the crypto and stocks which we own. Now, as you can see, I've got some Bitcoin here. And let's just say I wanted to sell this position. How do I go about doing that? Now, in order to sell this, we want to find the asset which we want to sell. And we then want to go to the right-hand side and look for these three dots. We can click on that to open up this menu. And then we can click close all. This will actually allow us to close our trade, meaning that we sell it. And here you can see your total profit and loss and the current value of the position. So if we did want to go ahead and sell it, we can click close all. Or if you have multiple positions open, we can click this blue text down here. And we can then choose which one we wanted to sell. And in my case, it's this one. So that's how you can sell crypto on Etoro. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.